Hi everyone, and today we're going to unbox a brand new old phone, a Nokia 1110. Yes, and this is a old Nokia Teco packaging, and then here's some, wait, I don't know what language it is, like, I'm not sure, Spanish or something, I don't know, man. And let's open it up, and I believe it's new. He told me it's brand new. Okay, this is a giant brick, and this is the phone. Okay, and this is the battery, I guess. And what's this? No, wait, why is this Spanish outside Chinese here? That's kind of sus. Wait, it's for and Chinese, some kind of Chinese mobile stuff, specialized. But okay, it's specialized for them, but why is it Spanish outside? It's kind of sus. Okay, but whatever. And then maybe is there battery in it? There's no battery in it. Maybe I need a SIM card to turn it on. So just open up this brand new battery. Ugh, it smells like shit. Okay, let me find a SIM card for it. Where's my SIM card bag? This is my SIM card bag, some SD card, SIM card, put in here, some USB, I guess, what, okay, and then maybe we should get this one, maybe, this is an old big SIM card. Do I have any more bigger? I remember I got a bigger SIM card. Wait, it's gone, but whatever, let's just use this. And then let's put this on it. Okay. Big SIM card. Okay, I guess. Okay. Let's put it into this brand new phone. Okay, let's put this battery in. It's fused new. Okay, how can I? Let's unseal this. Wow. That's pretty cool. Let's just put this back. Then let's start this. Oh. Whoa, it's the classic one. Okay, so it's on right now. I think the seller helped us to charge already. I guess you can see it's full. And then let me try 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yep. Then message extra games, reminders, clock settings, call register, contacts, message. Okay, and then what should you select? Set clock first. What is set clock, tone settings, display settings, profiles, time settings. Okay, according to my let me see what time is it. According to my Game & Watch, it's 8:52. Okay, so it's 24-hour clock checked. Okay, so how do we set it? Wait. Select. Set the time. Oh, okay. 52. Okay. Time is set. Let's switch this back. Whoa. What? Wait. Date. 16th of March. Okay, I fucked something up. Not so. It's March, so 03 20 22. Yep, 2022. Date it's set, so I think it's okay now. Okay, we got this. Actually, I think I can smell pixels. Look at this. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's wow, pixels. Okay, let's see what else. Messages, games. Let's just try games. Pocket, car room. What's that? Dice game. Snake Zenzia. It has a name. Wait a minute. It's that game. I thought it was just like snake. Wait. How do I control this? Wait. Oh, just like okay, and this way. I prefer the original run. Okay, this is. I don't feel really. It feels so weird. Yep, it's super weird. So let's try something else. What else? Games. This is pocket car. Oh, yo, what is this? New game. What? What is this? What should I do? I have no idea. Okay. And then anything else? Context, car register settings, color reminders, games. I just try any more games. Dice games. What is this new game? Yeah, Yahi or Veni. It's Yanti. What is this? What? What is this? No man. I hate this buttons feels okay. It's kind of smooth plastic feel. And then snake settings. There's nothing else. Okay, maybe reminders. Or alarm tone. Oh, maybe we can. Wait, how can I, okay, add new, right? Reminder about Joe Mama. Okay. Alarm on. Oh, we have set date. Okay. And no, I don't do setting on tomorrow. Like, no. Okay, how can I change the ringtone of this? Tone settings. Can I try? Oh my gosh, it's scaring me. Okay, it's the original one. That's scaring me. Oh, this is nice. This is better. Now I still have jump scare and what is this? Oh, it scared me. Oh no, okay. Anything else? The display settings. What does display settings? Digital clock. And what? Select classical. Oh, okay. Can we change wallpaper? Profiles, general. Personalize. No, it's only tune. Time settings, call settings, phone settings. What's phone setting? Let's see. Language, key guard settings, network selection, startup tone. Yep. What's welcome tone? Nope. Actually, there's nothing else already. Okay, I think that's all for this episode. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and then like, subscribe, comment, share this video. I bought it for like $150. So remember to subscribe to let me earn some money, or I'm broke. I just realized something. Okay, while I'm talking this, I can like see. Wait, how that unlock? Yes, like this. I have to like unlock and their sound every time. Okay. I just realized there's a clock when you select this discrete. What? My style. Maybe we should try my style. Okay, whatever. Thanks for watching. And then like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Goodbye. I have to earn money though to buy more phones. Goodbye.